Okay, so morning SnapOff. We're down here in Staffordshire at Learn2Drift. There's loads of cars here. There's a V8 BMW, which I'm going to try my best to get in the passenger seat of. And we'll get a microphone in the engine bay for you as well. There's all sorts of gear here. Obviously the Skyline and the Silvia are behind us, but we're not very good at drifting yet, so we'll get to that later on in the summer once we've done some more drifting.
We've got plenty of footage of you doing his first time ever being in the passenger seat of a drift car. So there's some great footage of him and his facial expressions.
Yeah.
We've got some Mark 1 MX-5s, we've got a Mark 2 there, it's got a big old turbo on the side of it, same one that's in the S13. And we've got our friend Hayden, who's out there right now skidding about. So we'll get some drone footage, we'll get a load of footage for you, and I think it'll be a good day.
Yeah,
good day.
Get the microphones in the engine bays. Oh, and there's a burger van. So I'm going over there now.
Got some good scrap.
See you later. Goes. Roger's out there in that car there, in that MX-5. Okay, let's go and find out Roger's first driving experience. We can see that big massive smile on his face.
Hello guys, I hope everyone's okay. Hope you enjoyed this video today. We put a lot of effort, a lot of heart into this one. Loads of people came together to come help this one out. We had Learn2Drift in Stafford and loads of members of staff there were amazing, really helped us with that one today. That's all I can really take away from the weekend. Anything for yourself, James?
Yeah, massive thank you to Hayden. None of the footage and the drifting footage would have been possible without him or his absolute monster of an MX-5. So massive thank you to Hayden. His Instagram will be down below and here's his Instagram on the screen. Go show him some love. If it wasn't for him, a lot of this wouldn't have been possible. Okay, so we'll see you in the next one.
See you next week.